This faceless YouTube channel is generating over 500,000 views per month and is likely monetized and generating over thousands of dollars per month simply by uploading videos like these. And today we are going to find out how hard it is to create video like this to grow a brand new faceless YouTube channel, and you are not going to believe the result that how we have created 60 videos under 60 minutes just by using these simple to AI tools. And we have made the process so simple that after watching this video you are going to start your own new faceless YouTube channel. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So the first step is to choose a niche. You can choose one out of these 5 niche which have the higher probability to go viral. We have chosen the number 60 for the videos because we are going to post 2 videos every single day so that we have covered a 1 month for our channel. Now if we see this channel, they have created videos on the topic of Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, etc. So we are going to follow the same pattern and we are going to choose comic as a niche. So for the next step, we are going to divide this niche into 6 different categories, and for each category we are going to create 10 videos. So the total will be 60 and we are covering all our 60 videos. Now we are done with niche and we are done with category. So let's head over to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT I will write generate 10 viral. You can use this prompt, I will also link it in description. You just have to change this particular keyword into the different categories. I will click on enter and ChatGPT will give me 10 different topics that I can use for videos. Now I want these topics into tabular form. Write these topics in tabular form. Now ChatGPT gave me these topics into tabular form. I will just copy it and paste it on Google Sheets. Now I have 10 topics for our videos. I will repeat the process to generate 50 more. Now once we have total 60 topics of the videos, we will head over to quickreel.io. In the quickreel.io, we will see dashboard like this. Now we have to click on AI text to video. After clicking on AI text to video, we will see the option of generate a script here. We will click on this, and now we have to copy the topic and paste it here. Now we have to choose the script style. I will choose fantasy. The duration of the video, I would still keep it 30 seconds because 30 seconds short would be much more engaging. I will click on generate a script, and now AI will take a few seconds to generate the script which have the higher probability to go viral. Now the AI is created a good script. Now we will click on use script, and now here are the option of select voice. I will select a voice of English, and I will also like to select the gender as a male, and I would like to select the style should be general. Now I have different multiple audios to choose here. Now I would like to choose Brian. I will choose it, and now I will scroll it down. Here I can also choose the visual style. We have real time, realism, anime, cyberpunk, comic, fantasy. I will choose comic because right now we are creating videos around Spider-Man, Batman and all. So I will choose comic. Now here's the AI feature that we can choose in AI background music. I would love to have background music so it will make our video much more engaging. Now here's another option of apply subtitle. Here we can apply the subtitle. I will choose a subtitle style impact. Now here are the multiple option. You can customize your subtitle like change the position, change the font size. I will choose the position as middle. I would still choose font size as a medium. Text casing uppercase would be much better. Font family impact would be much better. Base color, important word color and highlight color. I will go with this only, and I will click on generate. Once you click generate, the process will start and the AI clip will be generated in a few minutes. So we will wait for it. Now here you can see the short is created and Quickreel provided us a title, a reason behind the video can go viral, virality score, the script, the AI caption, the AI text, and for which platform it is suitable for. So now we can see the clip.
Have you ever wondered what chaos would unfold if Deadpool got his hands on Tony Stark's suit? Well, it finally happened. Our favorite Merc broke into Stark Tower, found the Mark 85, and decided to take it for a joyride. But there's just one problem. Friday doesn't appreciate his jokes. The AI locks him in the suit, sends him flying into space, and starts playing Baby Shark on repeat. Even Deadpool's healing factor can't save him from this torture. Tony finds him floating near Mars, still dancing uncontrollably. Follow for more Marvel mayhem.
I really loved it, and now I'm going to post it on my social media and especially on my brand new YouTube channel. So for this I can download it from here by just clicking on download button, and I can also share it on social media by just clicking on schedule post. By clicking on this you can add your own account, and once you have added your own account you can select that, and here's how the screen will look like. And with a click on directly publish button you can directly publish it to social media. After generating the short, you can also schedule it for the next 30 days by just clicking on schedule post option. Here you can select the date and time for the next 30 days. So now I'm going to repeat this process for my next 59 videos to schedule them for the next 30 days. You can also do the same by creating your own brand new faceless YouTube channel. I will monitor this brand new channel and see how the shorts are working, and I will also share the result with you. So what are you waiting for? Just create your own brand new faceless YouTube channel and see the results. So this is for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, you can watch my this video. There I have teach you how to generate $6,000 per month by creating shorts from other podcasts. Until then, bye bye.